There is a medical condition called tetanus where even a single touch can create violent muscular spasms in a person's body. This happens because the nervous system of the person who is suffering from tetanus is hypersensitive. Now, I'm not trying to compare meditation with tetanus because tetanus is a serious medical condition. However, I do want you to notice one thing. Your nervous system can amplify a single stimulus into violent, massive response. In tetanus, a single touch can create violent muscular spasms, and in identity work, a repeated imaginal act can trigger a huge psychological reaction. If you can just rehearse a mental picture where you are already living your best life, where you are already attracting the type of girl that you want in your life, then this imaginal act is going to reprogram your subconscious mind in a completely new way. And once your subconscious mind starts to accept this imaginal pattern, this imaginal movie as a familiar thing, then your behavior and your body naturally follows. Most people think that your imagination has no place in your dating life. But the reality is, your persistent imagination is always creating your personal reality. Here is the truth. If you have been struggling to get the right kind of girl into your life, it's not because you lack social skills and you haven't cold approached enough women. It's because you do not understand how important it is to visualize wonderful things happening to you and program your subconscious mind correctly. I know this because I went through this myself. When I was 19, I was in medical school, and instead of just sitting in my lecture hall, I used to bunk a lot of my classes in order to go out and cold approach women. I thought that upgrading my social skills and just becoming familiar and comfortable with cold approach is finally going to help me attract the right kind of girl in my life. But that did not happen. Instead, during COVID lockdown, I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks. And to heal these annoying mental health issues, I decided to turn inwards and I started to meditate. Meditation led me to the discovery of a fundamental spiritual principle, and that changed everything for me. That principle is your persistent imagination plus elevated emotion is always creating your personal reality. I honestly believe that there are three levels of men in our society. And the sad part is, most men never upgrade from level 1 to level 2. The level 1 of men is what I like to call the uninitiated NPC. Life hasn't initiated these people into proper spirituality. These people believe that looks, money, status, outer game techniques, social skills are going to help him to attract the right kind of girl in his life. The second level of man now is a little spiritually awake. This level is called the awakening creator. He understands that his imagination and his feeling is creating his personal reality. He can meditate properly. But the problem is when he comes out of his meditation, when he opens his eyes, he still seeks external validation. After finishing his meditation, he immediately checks his phone and just wonders, why hasn't this girl texted me yet? The third level, and this is the level that we all should aspire to, is called the master alchemist. This person understands that imagination creates reality. He can completely dwell in his imaginal act. He can provide all the sensory vividness to his imaginal act. He can imagine that the girl he wants is already in his arms. She is already complimenting him, saying things like, "Oh my God, you're so amazing." He can mentally rehearse this imaginal act until he starts to feel the feelings of joy, gratitude, satisfaction, victory, and thrill. And after his meditation is over, he is not desperate for getting the result in his external world. He simply lets the world reshuffle itself until whatever he has visualized actually starts to materialize in his world. Now, if you want to experience what it is like to be a master alchemist, I have created a 20-minute guided practice where you are going to learn what exactly to do before this meditation practice, how to go into a light state of yoga nidra or relaxation so that your subconscious mind is very receptive, how to imagine wonderful things happening to you, and how to feel the elevated emotion of joy, gratitude, victory, satisfaction, and how to come out of this meditation properly so that this new emotion, this new emotional state lingers on for a long period of time and you actually get results in your external world as well. This practice is just 20 minutes long and it is designed in such a way that you do not have to struggle like I did. The access to this guided practice is just $100. If you want it, just text me in the Gmail that I link in the description box and the pinned comment section down below. We will hop on a video call and make this happen quick. And for people who are serious about leveling up in the fastest way possible, I offer personalized one-to-one coaching. This personalized premium coaching is for men who have been pretty successful in their life, who had made some money in their life, but they are still frustrated because they cannot get the right kind of girl into their life effortlessly. And they are frustrated because they have already tried all kind of outer game techniques and they are tired of all the superficial advice because they know deep inside that the attraction happens from your subconscious mind. So, if you're someone who wants to have massive transformation by working with your nervous system, subconscious mind, and emotion, this coaching is for you. Just message me on my Gmail and then we will get started right away.